Hey pet lovers! Struggling with pet hair all over your home? I've got you covered. Today, I'll break down the best robot vacuums for pet hair, so you can spend more time cuddling with your furry friends and less time cleaning. First up, the iRobot Roomba One 7 Plus, 7,550. This model features a self-emptying dustbin for low maintenance, strong suction ideal for pet hair, excellent mapping and navigation, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. However, it's on the pricier side and you'll need to budget for dustbin bags regularly. Next, we have the Shark AV 2501 AE AI Robot Vacuum. It's got a self-cleaning brush roll to prevent tangles, HEPA filtration to capture pet dander and allergens, and a bagless self-emptying bin that saves you money on replacements. It's effective on both carpets and hard floors, but it's a bit louder than its competitors and has a slightly bulky design. The UFI by Anker RoboVac X8 Hybrid is up next. With dual turbines for strong suction, compact and quiet operation, and a mopping feature for hard floors, this model is affordable compared to premium vacuums. Its mopping capability is basic though, and the smaller dustbin means more frequent emptying. Then there's the Roborock S7 Max V. This vacuum offers a sonic mopping feature, smart obstacle avoidance, powerful suction, and advanced app customization. It's expensive, and its larger size might not fit under low furniture. Lastly, the Neato D10 Intelligent Robot Vacuum. With its D-shaped design for better corner cleaning, long battery life up to 300 minutes, high-efficiency filter for allergens, and wide cleaning path, it's a solid choice. But it lacks a self-emptying feature and has a bulkier design. So which one stands out? For me, the Shark AV 2501 AEAI Robot Vacuum is the winner. Its self-cleaning brush roll, HEPA filtration, and bagless self-emptying bin make it a fantastic choice for pet owners. While it's slightly louder, its performance and value make it unbeatable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cleaning!